What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 5 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours. Today we're checking out the Brinkley Model I 294. This one has bunks in the back and a huge mid-bath. This one offers a lot, but it is a little bit long, coming in at 34 feet 10 inches. We'll start on the outside, then head inside. Let's get to it. All right, so starting on the outside of this RV, first up, there's some things to talk about, like the new automotive front cap, the large windshield. We're starting to see these automotive front caps on the Model I. They used to just be on the Air, but now they're starting to bring them into the I's. And then the original front cap, which was sort of just a flat piece, is now on the lightweight division of the travel trailers. Up front, we're going to have the dual propane tanks, a Lippert tongue jack, and then easy latch, which makes hooking up so much easier. Now, when it comes to weight, this RV is 34 feet 10 inches. The weight on this one, the gross vehicle weight, is 10,495 pounds. So it's definitely a lot heavier than some of the ones that we've been looking at, which if you want to check out any of those smaller travel trailers, be sure to check out the playlist up above of our 15 days of Brinkley RV tours. We're on day 5, so there's 4 more in front of it to see. Up front is going to be your underbelly storage bay. This right here is all of your connections, your satellite, your cable, your water connections, the buttons for retracting and extending your stabilizing jacks. And then in here, we're going to have this coin flooring, which looks really nice. And Brinkley has really cleaned everything up by giving you these pieces that cover up all of these actually pretty neatly put together plumbing and wiring. So that's nice that it keeps it away from all the stuff that could possibly damage it that you want to shove in here. And then right here is going to be your retractable hose. So that's really cool. You just pull it out and actually you'll be able to see it right in here. This right here is the hose reel. It gets pulled out and it retracts itself. So you don't have to carry a water hose with you. It's already installed. And then you'll have this right here, which is just it's kind of just a garden hose that you can hook up on the exterior on one of the connections. Up here is your solar inverter. So it's already prepped for that. Coming along the side here, you're going to have the painted aluminum skin. You got your frameless windows, and then this right here is a sticker, so it really just carries the paint design over the windows, so it looks very natural. Under here, you're going to have the drop frame, which allows you to have that little walk-in basement up underneath of the front bed. And then over here is going to be your stabilizing jacks. You're gonna have your gray and black water dump, and then your power connection is actually right here in the center. And then this is a rack and pinion slide system, which is one of the best slide systems on the market when it comes to RV slide outs. Back here, you're going to have a window on the side of your slide out. And then coming around to the back, I mean, you've got your ladder, your backup camera prep, and this right here is a window, which is actually one of the bunk bed windows. And then on the back here, you have this huge underbelly storage area. This right here is amazing. I mean, this is 5th wheel size storage in a travel trailer. That's pretty cool. And then you have your slam latches. And then back here you have a trailer hitch, which is capable of carrying 300 pounds. It's not designed for towing, it's just for carrying a bike rack pretty much. Then you have your on-demand hot water heater. And then coming over to the campsite, you got this huge awning that spans almost the entire width of the 34-foot camper. You do have these really nice tires, an outlet right there, an outdoor refrigerator, which is really nice. And what's cool is that this door has a magnetic holder, so it keeps it to the side if you want to be in and out of the fridge. And again, those slam latches. Up front is going to be your other side of your pass-through storage. Right there. Pretty nice. And then This right here is your bedroom entry door. So we're gonna go in the front bedroom. All right, so stepping in, you've got a nice little grab handle. But up front, you're gonna have a king size bed, and then the drop frame that we talked about a little bit ago. This is what it allows you to have, which is basically a walk-in basement. You know, you can store stuff up underneath the bed and all that good stuff. Over here, you're going to have these little side tables, lots of space under here, adjustable lamps in the corner, little reading lights. You can unscrew the things and they rotate, that's a really cool, it's a nice little touch. Up front, you're going to have this large windshield, and then check this out, lots of cabinet space. You have 3 cabinets all the way along the overhead cabinet area, and they're all soft close doors, so that's really nice. Right here, pull out drawers all the way down, and then you do have this storage space with a little hook area where you can hang up some clothes. And then over here, you've got these little drop down hooks, so it turns this wall into like a little coat hanger. The bathroom is in the middle of this RV, which it separates the living area from the front bedroom. You do have this sliding door. In here, you're gonna have a large shower. This is the same size as all the other ones that I've been touring. So I'm 6'2". It doesn't have a skylight, but you can put one in eventually if you want to. Not sure what it looks like, but overall, pretty good height. And then down here, you're going to have your porcelain foot flush toilet and then a toilet paper holder. Across the way, lots of storage space under here, a little golden sink. You do have a medicine cabinet, a towel holder, and then this huge mirror, which is really nice. Lots of cubby space down here, and then Liquified. Yep, that's right. This is today's sponsor of the video. I've been RVing for over 15 years, and Liquified is hands down the best RV toilet treatment in the industry. They have a gray tank treatment. They even have pods if you don't want to use the liquid version of the toilet treatment. But this right here, it's made with enzymes and bacteria that help break down your waste, prevent odors, and it even cleans your sensors. It's made in America, and it comes in this bottle which measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. Liquified is such a great product, and if you want to get some Liquified for yourself or save a little bit of money, you can head over to liquifiedrav.com and use the discount code RVTalk15 for 15% off your purchase. Thanks to Liquified for sponsoring today's video. Now let's continue with the tour. Back here, you're going to have the living area. All right, so now it's time to take a look at the kitchen. Over here, we have this large farmhouse sink, sprayer faucet, and then we also got this really cool corner cabinet, large residential microwave. And what's really great is that they give you access to the outlet that the microwave's plugged in. So if you ever need to unplug it for some reason, they actually give you access. Right here is going to be your 3-burner cooktop, really great size, large pull-out drawers, trash can down there, and then the signature Brinkley paper towel holder, really cool. And then more pull-out drawers, lots of storage space underneath of this large farmhouse sink. And then stepping over into the entertainment area, you've got the large dining room table that pulls out. You got a fireplace underneath, and then a large TV up above. I love how they thought that since there's bugs in here, there's probably a family that's gonna be staying in this RV. So they added these 4 little hooks right here. Such a great addition. They really think things out. This right here is going to be all of your controls. It's got a Rockford Fosgate sound system, which here's the speaker right here. You guys, if you want to have the best sounding music in your RV, even on the outside, Rockford Fosgate is the sound system to have. So it's really nice that it already includes that. Over here is going to be the bunk beds. Very nice. You have a large window up here on the top, cabinet space, pull-out drawers, and then of course another bunk down here. And all of this can be closed off with these sliding doors. So if you don't want to see the bunk beds during the day, you can just close the doors. And at night, if you want, you can leave them wide open. Right here, you're gonna have another sleeping spot because it's a high to bed. And then over here, you're going to have your theater seating, which you just pull the lever, the seats recline out. And what's great about these is that they're wall huggers. So they literally hug the wall. You know, it's exactly what it's called. And it really maximizes the amount of space that you have for reclining the seat out. You have 2 cup holders as well as a little center console. And then right here, you're going to have this large refrigerator. Down here is your pull-out freezer. And then right here is a little storage space, another pull-out drawer, and they give you an outlet, so if you have an appliance that you want to just tuck away but still need to plug in, you can just put it right in there, tuck it away, and close the door. All right, that right there is going to do it for the inside of this Brinkley Model I 294. What do you guys think? I like the setup. It's great for families. I'm not a big fan of this mid-bath. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see more Brinkley RV tours, you're in luck because we are just at the beginning of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours where we're touring a new Brinkley every day for 15 days. We are on day 5. So there's 10 days left to go. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tours. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road.